Welcome to this comprehensive overview of the Kava platform. Kava is a leading decentralized finance, DeFi, protocol that empowers users to earn high-yield rewards on their crypto assets. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the features and tools Kava offers to help you maximize your cryptocurrency investments. To get started, you'll first need to visit the Kava platform, where you can sign up quickly with your email and set up a secure wallet to hold your assets. Once inside the dashboard, you'll notice Kava's sleek and user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for both beginners and experienced users to navigate. The primary feature of Kava is its ability to allow users to earn yield on their crypto. By staking popular assets like USDT, USDC, or BTC, you can generate attractive returns. Kava also supports decentralized lending and borrowing, which means you can lend out your crypto to earn interest or borrow against your assets without the need for traditional intermediaries. A standout feature of Kava is its cross-chain compatibility, enabling you to connect assets from different blockchain networks seamlessly. This feature enhances the flexibility of your portfolio and ensures you can diversify your investments effectively. Kava also integrates advanced security measures to protect your funds, including robust smart contract protocols audited by top-tier security firms. As you explore the staking options, you'll see an estimate of the annual percentage yield, APY, for each token, helping you decide which assets are best to stake based on your investment goals. With just a few clicks, you can delegate your assets to validators, ensuring optimal returns while contributing to the network security. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With Kava's platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Kava and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. The sign-up link and bonus for new users are in the description. If you're new to DeFi, Kava provides a wealth of resources, including a knowledge base and customer support, to guide you every step of the way. Be sure to explore the integrated tools for monitoring your rewards and adjusting your staking preferences. Finally, Kava's native governance token, Kava, allows you to participate in decision-making and earn additional rewards by holding and staking it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and give this video a like to stay updated on more crypto tutorials and insights.